Happy Valentine's Day everyone, and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to show you how to propagate this plant, the string of hearts or Ceropegia woodii, by using the butterfly method. It will really help me if you could subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Start off by choosing some strings you want to use for propagation. Then cut the string between each node with pruning scissors. A node is where the two leaves are attached to the stem. Make multiple cuttings. Each cutting has two leaves, a node and some stem attached. Put all the cuttings into a container with wet sphagnum moss. Make sure the node touches the wet moss. Wet the moss if necessary. Place a transparent lid on the container and place it in a sunny spot. After a few weeks, check on your cuttings. Apply some more water if necessary. A few weeks later, the cuttings are ready. Roots have formed and a new plant grows from the node. You can now place each cutting that has developed into a pot with potting soil. Put the roots in the soil. Thank you for watching this video on how to propagate this plant, the string of hearts. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!